So the very first thing you're going to need to do is you just need to type in Temu affiliate program sign up. When you type this in, you can just scroll past down by the sponsored ads and click on Temu's official website where you can see their affiliate program. You can see right here, we want to scroll down and then click on the get started option. You don't even have to be signed in, but you can basically sign up right here if you don't have an account like I currently do not. And once you're on this page, you want to go in the top right hand corner and click on the sign up option, and you can actually enter in your email and password and confirm your password that you want to be associated with the account. So you can actually receive commissions and actually just refer people to earn more money. And once you've actually entered in this information, all you're going to want to do is you just want to fill out these 4 different steps just on this page. You can see we have the account registration. This just wants to know your name, your website that you're actually promoting, how much followers you have right now, and how much total volume per month you actually have, so that they can actually accept you into the program, because they don't just accept everyone into the program by default. But once you enter in all this information, you want to go into the next step where you can enter in your business info, and basically you're going to need to submit your taxpayers information and any other addresses, documents that it requires depending on which country you're actually from. And you can see right here, when you actually submit it, it does require a few days to actually see if you're accepted or rejected into the affiliate program. In doing so, you can just copy the link, view your dashboard within the Temu login affiliate just on this page like we currently are, except it'll be a dashboard for the affiliate program. If you found this helpful, consider liking and subscribing down below, and have a great day.